I'm Lene with Flags USA, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put together an 8-foot indoor deluxe oak American flag set. Your indoor flag set includes one American flag finished with a pull sleeve and gold fringe, a 2-piece deluxe oak flagpole, gold cord and tassels, one floor stand, and one perched metal eagle topper. Your first step is to slide your American flag onto the top portion of the 2-piece flagpole. There is a tab on the inside of the pull sleeve that you can attach onto the screw on the flagpole in order to secure the flag to the pole. Your next step is to attach the gold cord and tassels to the top of the flagpole. Next, take the metal eagle and slide it onto the top of the flagpole. The next step is to attach the 2 pieces of the flagpole together. And then finally, insert the bottom end of the flagpole into the floor stand. And there you have it. Now you have a fully assembled indoor flag set that you can proudly display inside your organization. You can order your flag set at flagsusa.com, and if you have any questions, you can contact us at 800-369-8085.